Hola a todos. En este vídeo encontrarás más de 50 palabras que empiezan con la letra B, todas con definiciones muy sencillas en inglés. Además, añadí muchas notas útiles y collocations habituales para que no solo memorices las palabras, sino que también aprendas a usarlas de forma natural y fluida en tus propias frases. A round object used in games or sports. Ball. A flexible bag filled with air or gas. Balloon. Pop a balloon. Make a balloon burst, either on purpose or by accident. She popped the balloon with a pin. The balloon popped when it touched the candle. A long yellow tropical fruit. Banana. A group of musicians playing together. Band. A place where money is kept or managed. Bank. A long, rigid piece of material. Bar. A place to buy and drink beverages, often with snacks or music. Bar. A large building for storing crops or animals. Barn. A cylindrical container used to store liquids. Barrel. A container made of woven material for carrying items. Basket. A device that stores energy. Battery. A piece of furniture for sleeping. Bed. Hair that grows on the chin and cheeks. Beard. A hollow object that rings when struck. Bell. A long seat for multiple people. Bench. A small juicy fruit. Berry. A small baked bread or cookie. Biscuit. A staple food made from flour and water. Bread. A vehicle with two wheels powered by pedaling. Bicycle. A watercraft for traveling on water. Boat. A soft covering used for warmth. Blanket. A flat surface used for writing with chalk. Blackboard. A collection of written or printed pages. Book. A sturdy shoe covering the ankle or higher. Boot. A curved weapon for shooting arrows. Bow. A type of necktie shaped like a bow. Bow tie. A piece of jewelry worn around the wrist. Bracelet. A container used to hold liquids. Bottle. A container with flat sides for holding items. Box. A part of a tree that grows out from the trunk. Branch. A low, woody plant with many branches. Bush. An insect with colorful wings. Butterfly. A rectangular block used in construction. Brick. A structure for crossing over something. Bridge. A tool with bristles for sweeping. Broom. A powerful machine for moving earth. Bulldozer. A small fastener for clothes or devices. Button. Button up. Close something by using its buttons. Button up your shirt. Button up your coat. Bag. A thing used to carry items. Balcony. A small outdoor space attached to a building. Banister. The railing beside stairs. The banister is made of wood. Hold the handrail. Barber. A man who cuts hair. Barefoot, with no shoes. Bark. The sound a dog makes. Bath. Washing your body in water. Beach. Land next to the sea with sand. Bear. A large wild animal with thick fur. Beaver. An animal that builds dams. Bee. A small insect that makes honey. Beer. An alcoholic drink made from grains. Beetle. An insect with a hard shell. Bird. An animal with wings that can fly. Boy. A male child. Breakfast. The first meal of the day. Brother. A male sibling. Bubble. A ball of air in liquid. Bull. A male cow. Bullock. A young bull often used for work. Buffalo. A large animal with big horns. Buffet. A meal where you serve yourself. Butter. A yellow food made from milk. Bonfire. A large outdoor fire. And that's our last word. Bonfires. Just like a bonfire brings people together, I hope this video helps bring you closer to feeling confident and warm with your English. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.